Most people get this wrong. They assume Advance America Pro is just another high-fee payday loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a more flexible platform for short-term financial needs, combining fast cash access, installment options, and simple budgeting tools. Here's how it works. Advance America Pro allows you to access a portion of your earned wages or request a small short-term loan. Funds can often appear in your account within hours, making it ideal for emergencies like unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or urgent household expenses. The platform emphasizes transparency, providing clear repayment schedules and reminders to help you avoid late fees. Beyond cash advances, the app gives you insights into your spending. You can track upcoming obligations, manage your payment plans, and see how advances fit into your overall budget. This makes Advance America Pro more than just a lending app. It's a practical tool for short-term financial planning. The downside? Overuse can become costly. Relying on repeated advances instead of building a small emergency fund can add up in fees and interest. The service works best for occasional, planned use rather than ongoing borrowing. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can realistically repay on time. 2. Monitor upcoming payments and plan accordingly. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or want flexible repayment options. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find costs piling up quickly. In conclusion, Advance America Pro in 2026 is flexible, fast, and user-friendly, but only when used wisely. Treat it as a short-term financial tool, plan repayments carefully, and always keep an eye on your spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical money advice.